Ho, ho, ho! This is Chris Kringle on Ice, wishing you a very Merry Christmas from Cedar Coast Chiropractic. Don't forget your Christmas cracker.
Pop and crack.